was so great. Because of that, let's have a 1 minute silence in respect and honor to the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. Itawezekanaje kufanya pasipo mazuri? Raila Amolo Odinga was so great, bana. Let me start by saying the people's president, Right Honorable CDH. Niliona alipewa award. Raila Amolo Odinga was so great, but it's so hard, bana, to see the importance. The importance ama nini of Raila when he was alive. Maybe I don't want to say that man was great. Bringing the constitution to us, that was so honorable of him. Ukimagine watu wangapi alikreatia job, all these governors, all these MCAs, all these people. Guy, watu wengi sana wamekulia kwa mgongo wake na giving us freedom of speech, freedom of expression. That's why, bana, even here in Kitale, we have this shit called K10 podcast. You can come here, air your views, say what you want to say, because this shit is under description. I'm on a disclaimer. Speak your mind, speak your thoughts, and we can come into a conclusion.